Welcome back to Mimi's Christmas Workshop. This is actually the last video in this series, and you can see all the other videos that I've done in this in my playlist, Mimi's Christmas Workshop. But this video is all about making personalized charcuterie boards. Now, I made a simple charcuterie board back in September, and I'll link that video below. These are great for any kind of get-togethers or parties, and it's just simply a board filled with cheeses, fruits, crackers, and meats. So I wanted to make 2 of these for my daughter-in-laws, and I wanted to personalize it for them because they entertain and they have friends, and I thought this would be great for them. And I just wanted to make theirs a little more special than the one I made for myself. So I went to Lowe's again and picked up 2 of these wooden panels that are used to make tables, and I picked out some handles over there where the handle section is, where you get for cabinet doors. So I have those. The board was $11.88 and the handles were $1.50 a piece. Then I coated the boards with chalk paint, and I picked the Waverly Silver Lining color because both of them have a lot of gray in their kitchens. And I put 3 coats of this chalk paint, sanded between each coat, but I put 3 coats on both of the charcuterie boards. Then I let that dry really good, and I had gone to Hobby Lobby and found these stencils. So I'm going to use the kind of floral leaf to go at the top and the T in the middle. So after it is completely dried, I put on my stencils, and I thought my camera was running, but it was not. So you will not actually see me stencil, but there are plenty of videos on how to stencil. But I did, using a sponge brush, just dab on the paint, and here I am lifting up the stencil to see the pretty leaf pattern and the T. And I just held my breath, but it turned out really good. So that's what it looks like. That's how I've personalized this board. Then after it is thoroughly dried, I bought some polyacrylic Minwax. My son, who refinishes furniture, highly recommended this. And so it's a water-based sealer. And I got the satin finish. And I ended up putting 3 coats of the sealer on each board. And I lightly sanded between coats. And this worked great. You could put more coats if you wanted to, but this looked really good when I finished with the 3 coats. Then I let it dry for 24 hours, and next to my husband is going to show you how to attach the handles. What's that called?
Just the starter hole for the screws to go in.
Now will you hold it up and model it? Yep, that looks perfect. So here is my finished product. I think it turned out nice. I hope the girls like it. And I'm going to be heading over to Trader Joe's in the next couple of weeks and start picking up some items to put with this in a basket. These are some of the things you can put on your board. Nuts, cheeses, all kinds of fruit, however you want to make your board. Now on my Pinterest easy entertaining board, I've got lots of these charcuterie board ideas. So I'll leave a link below to my Pinterest board. And I hope you've enjoyed all of the gift inspirations that I've shared over the last month. And stay tuned, I've got lots more projects planned, some cookie baking, some desserts, some really good meals for the holidays, and also some decorative things for the house. So I hope you stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a very blessed day.